Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change recent tasks layout on Samsung Galaxy devices. So let's start with basics. The thing that you can do by default on your Galaxy smartphone, once you open the Recent tab, tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select settings, and here you can enable or disable showing recommended apps, and if you disable this feature you will see just an empty tab, an empty screen once you do that, which is a minor change in the layout. But if you want something more advanced, we're gonna have to download the Good Lock application by Samsung, which is available both on Play Store and the Galaxy Store. So just open the one that is closer to you, and then let's find the Good Lock application in here. Once you find it, install it, then open it and agree to terms of service to proceed. Then you're gonna have to find the Home app module on the modules list and download it too. Wait until it's downloaded. Then open it. And then let's go through the introduction screen. So tap next, then try it, then switch the Home app on and go to the home screen menu. Make sure to turn on home screen, and now let's navigate to the excuse me for the confusion. Actually, it's not the home screen that we want to open, but the task changer, so the one the tile right below. So what we want to do is switch the task changer on and then select the layout type for our recent tabs, and here we have 5 different options. Each lets us also change the details. So for example, we can enable, we can change the list to circular, and we can also add or remove the search bar. So once we selected slim list, let's see what it looks like. So let's open many different apps, and here it is. So here are the apps, the recently opened apps, and so we can close them by swiping them to the side. We can also search through them using the search icon at the top. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.